So we're going to use the properties that we just talked about to expand expressions that have a logarithm. There might be times, and there are cases in the future, I know we'll use this in calculus if you ever get there, but we might have some expression inside of a log that looks very complicated. There's a lot going on inside of it. So using the properties of logs, we can pretty much pick it apart into much simpler terms. So let's look at log base 7 of 3xy squared. Okay, so that's quite a bit going on inside of that log. We have 3 times x times y to the second. So we're going to expand this using those properties that we just talked about. Well, inside of here, this is really a 3 times x times y squared. So we had that property of log of m times n, and we can split it up into the log of each of those things. So this expands into log base 7 of 3 plus log base 7 of x plus log base 7 of y squared. Okay, so we've expanded that one log out into 3 separate logs. Since those are all multiplied, they all are plus, they're all positive logs. And one last thing that we can do here is with this y squared, we can use that property where if we have a log with an exponent in there, that 2 can get sucked out in front. So we can take that 2 and put it out here. So log base 7 of 3 plus log base 7 of x plus 2 log base 7 of y is completely expanded. So one other example where we have a quotient, we can't really have anything more than products, quotients, and a power. So this has all of them in there. We have 3 times x squared divided by, right, and then 5 times y cubed. So that's got, and then we have powers as well. So this is going to hit all of the properties that we just looked at. When we expand this, everything that's on top is going to be a positive log, and then everything that we're dividing by is going to be a negative log. Okay, so we're going to have minus a log of 5 and minus a log of y cubed. So if we expand this, we have log of 3 plus log of x squared, and then the other things that we're dividing by, we would have minus those logs. So minus a log of 5 minus a log of y cubed. And looking at those, we still have exponents in there, so that x squared, we can pull that 2 out in front. And on that y cubed at the end, we can pull that 3 out in front. So log of 3 plus 2 log of x minus log of 5 minus 3 log of y is completely expanded. And I'd be pretty confident that most of you guys after this can jump straight from here to that completely expanded form in just one step. Pick everything apart, put those exponents out in front. That's pretty much all you have to do.